Alright guys, quick little tip video. So if you are trying to trade your iPhone in and you're running into this issue right here, this Find My iPhone is grayed out. You know, if you have to trade your phone in, you have to erase everything and reset everything. Now, to be able to fix this is very simple. What's happening is you have to turn off stolen device security. So basically we're going to come into our settings and then we're going to type in stolen device and protection and tap on that. We're going to toggle this off, use our Face ID, and typically what will happen is this right here. It'll do a security delay and it'll last for an hour. So that means you can't reset your phone for 1 hour. So once the hour is up and it'll show a little timer, you can start the security delay. It'll show a little timer, then you will be able to toggle the Find My iPhone off, and then you'll be able to reset your phone.